The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Thursday in the 7th week of Easter, and our reflection will be coming from St. John chapter 17, verses 20 to 26. This is part of the priestly prayer of Jesus. He was praying to the Father that all of us may be one. Firstly, how good it is to know that Jesus Christ is so much concerned about us. He is already God. He has given himself. He was rejected. Nobody would like to believe on everything that he said. Why would still he be concerned about all of us? How blessed we are to be included in the prayer of Jesus. Secondly, Jesus Christ experienced in himself the cruel effect of division. Division destroys dreams. Division destroys life. And division separates us from the love of God. And that is why it is not surprising that his prayer for all of us is that all of us may be one. Let us continue to share that same prayer in the midst of the division in our government, in our society, in our family, and even in our church. How shameful it would be if we will be the reason for division and fragmentation of the people of God. Lastly, Jesus told the Father that he would like to share the glory of heaven to all of us. So let us anticipate that day when we are to see the glory of God. We are not simply participating in the glory of God, but we are seeing God's glory face to face. Because for that very reason, that Jesus became man and dwelt among us. He became the bridge and the light so that one day we can be one with the glory of God. God bless.